Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where pre-installed default apps are missing in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to perform a clean boot on your computer. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. And lastly, you can reinstall the apps. Now I'll tell you about this. In many cases, the Microsoft Store may go missing. Okay, or the Photos app may go missing. So, what would you do in that case? Now, see, if it is a Photos app, for many of these apps, you have the option to install them from the store. But if the store is missing itself, then just search for this command here to re register Microsoft Store. Okay, and then we can just go to any website and download the command. Wait, we just need the command. Okay. Now, the reason I'm telling you this method is because if it was just for Microsoft Store, it would have been a different thing. If it is for other apps, then you will have to search for it. So then search for PowerShell and in the right pane, click on Run as Administrator and then paste it here and hit enter. Okay, this will reinstall the package and then it will reinstall Microsoft Store. Now, if Microsoft Store is present on your system, then you can go to Microsoft Store and then let us say you wish to install the Photos app. It is one of the default apps, but it is available on the store. Then you can go here and go to Microsoft Photos and then install it. Now, this is one part, but a lot of the default apps are not even present. So the only way to do them is the different one to do it through the PowerShell command. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.